Hey guys, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. In this software reviews video, we're going to be talking about some of AppSumo's latest and the greatest that are available on the last call deal. I was making this video for you guys today simply because I know I haven't put out a video in a couple of days. I've been really busy and we're about to ramp up and produce a whole lot more content, but you only have 2 days left to shop on this offer. And unfortunately, um, there's a couple of things that have already left, and I wanted to make sure that I mentioned a couple of things here for you. But this is available in the last call deal. So you're just going to hit the shop now button. Now, when you do that, it's going to bring you to the last call page. And now this is normally for AppSumo Plus members, and I'll put a link in the description below for you so that you can join the Plus membership as well. But I wanted you guys to take a look at this and understand um, they've got a couple of good little things in here, and unfortunately the exemplary AI is going to be gone in 30 minutes, but I fully stacked this one a long time ago, which is a really good deal here. But I wanted to mention a couple of things to you because I thought these were really a couple of mentionable things. If Rank Atom holds good and stays well, this is a great keyword research tool. This is a great tool for you to use so that you can research and you can find weak spots in your SEO. Okay. And this comes in at a low price of $49 for the tier 1 plan. It's got about 92 reviews on it. And so this is going to be one of these products that I'm going to definitely recommend for you because it's going to give you exactly what you need as far as, doing some good keyword research. And I'm going to be doing some case studies and stuff on our blog, and so on the videogeeksquad.com blog. So you guys definitely want to take a look at that because I'm going to be actually trying out some of these products. I'm not somebody who's just talking about this stuff, but I'm actually using the products and I'm actually ranking my videos and I'm ranking my websites, etc. And so we're going to be talking about that, and I'm also making affiliate commissions with various different affiliate networks, and so we're going to talk about that as well coming up in the blog and in our community. But Rank Atom is one of these products that I would definitely recommend for you. This is going to get you some high, ranking keywords, and this is just going to help you out as well. Now, something that caught my eye as well is if you're a person who is not very tech savvy and you're looking to launch a product or a service, digital download, something like that, well, this launch cart might be an option for you. So that way you can actually put your product up for sale on the internet. So you'll be able to sell products via live streams or Facebook and YouTube, and even seal the deal with a special discount for certain types of customers. So this is a pretty good deal here. So that way you can use Launchcart to sort of launch what you're doing. And I like this because I thought it was a really neat little plan for people, especially if you're somebody who is not really too technical. So this is going to be probably one of those other little items that you could possibly, find and like as well. Now, there's a couple of other things in here. If you're into content marketing and gamification, you can definitely look at Rhyme. There's a couple of things here. And, so you've got alt text, which is to help you figure out and to come up with some additional alt text for your images on your website. So that's also a great honorable mention as well. But these are the last call deals that they have available for in the month of right here and March 15th. So just make sure that you grab these as soon as you can. And I'll put links in the description for you below. But I just wanted to make sure that I shot you over this quick little video so that way you could just take a look at it and you could grab any one of these tools that you think is definitely worthy of you grabbing. All right.